Hey guys, it's David with you. Just want to say that the steps that you're taking to automate your business, to fast track the relationship management, the communication between you and your past customers, your current customers, and your future customers is really a game changer. Imagine if you could automate the conversations of every single person that entered your business or shown interest in your product or service. See, that's an amazing advantage. How many of those conversations or friends or relationships have slipped through the cracks because we just didn't have time to reach out to everyone? This is a tremendous opportunity to lay the foundation for AI and workflow automation in your business. Go High Level has given us an all-in-one platform that allows us to do our emailing, our SMS, our web building, our social media interactions all in one place. Go ahead, get started. There's a 14-day free trial, which is going to connect you with live people, 24/7 technical support, theory, practical use, application support, whatever your questions may be regarding the platform. You're going to have 24-hour access to Zoom meetings and in real time immediately. How many platforms are offering you that type of support? None. For the health and growth of your business, welcome to Go High Level. Thanks for caring about your business, and your marketing objectives are our first priority. So log on to the 14-day free trial. See for yourself.